Pedestrians crossing when vehicles have the green light. Vehicles moving while pedestrians cross. As of Sunday, January 27, the National Works Agency is making major traffic changes to cut out these dangerous practices in Halfway Tree. As a result, JUTC buses exiting the Halfway Tree Transport Center along Constant Spring Road can only turn right. JUTC buses will no longer be able to travel across Constant Spring Road to Southermere Avenue. When buses are exiting the transport center onto Constant Spring Road, pedestrian movement will be allowed at the Constant Spring Road South Odeon Avenue and the Constant Spring Road Southermere Avenue intersections. Conflicting vehicular movement at both intersections will be stopped. To further accommodate people walking on the roads, there will be an exclusive pedestrian signal phase at the intersections. This will see pedestrian crossings being remarked with "Do not block intersection" yellow boxes, as well as increased walk time with the introduction of audible pedestrian signals and visible countdown pedestrian signals. Obey the new Halfway Tree traffic rules. Make our roads safer for all. Halfway Tree.